With such high costs, pet owners may want to look into pet health insurance to cover the costs of their pet's health, especially for this little guy here. Right, Cortez? But like a lot of insurance, pet health insurance can be a little confusing. In this video, we are covering the ins and outs of pet health insurance and whether or not it's beneficial for you and your fur baby. Hey guys, welcome back to The College Investor, investing and personal finance for millennials. Today we are going to be diving into pet health insurance, what it is, what it covers, and whether or not it's right for you. So first, let's start off with what is pet health insurance? Pet health insurance is a type of property insurance that protects the financial well-being of the pet owner. Okay, a few key points about pet health insurance. First is there's generally a deductible. So the deductible is the amount of money that you pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in and before your insurance company helps you pay for a portion of those vet bills. So for example, if you have a $500 annual deductible, then you are responsible to pay $500 out of pocket before that insurance coverage kicks in. Now, once you do meet that deductible, then you'll have coinsurance. So coinsurance is typically when your insurance provider and you are both responsible for paying a portion of your pet's vet bill. Typically, the insurance company will pay around 80% of the bill, and then you're still responsible for that additional 20%. And here's what's really surprising. We found in the US that just 2% of dog owners and a 0.5% of cat owners carry pet health insurance. For as much as we love our pets, this is actually really surprising that a majority of us are not carrying pet health insurance. Okay, so what does pet health insurance cover? There's typically 3 different buckets in which pet health insurance is broken into. The first is wellness. So this covers anything like flea and tick treatments or annual vet visits. The next is accident and illness coverage. So emergency vet visits would be covered under accident and illness if your cat gets stung by a bee or if your dog swallows some empty water balloons. That may or may not have happened to my dog. And then the third is comprehensive coverage, which includes both the wellness and accident and illness coverage. There are plenty of health insurance companies out there that offer these types of coverages, and the 3 biggest companies out there are Nationwide, Trupanion, Healthy Paws Pet Insurance Foundation, and the marketplace for pet health insurance is rapidly growing. You may have even seen PetSmart's own pet health insurance called Banfield. That's also a very popular one. And then there's a lot of startup companies coming into this marketplace, including Pets Best, Embrace, Figo, Pet First, and Pet Plan. Okay, so how much does pet insurance actually cost? This really does depend on a variety of factors, including species. So dogs actually cost more than cats, unfortunately. Then there's the age of the pet and breed. Certain breeds are more prone to illness than others, and where you live. That all factors into how much your pet and health insurance premium costs. Now, the average premium for accident and illness coverage is around $516 per year. And for dogs, this can vary. If you have a larger dog, your premium is going to be more. It ranges between $25 to $150 per month to cover the premium costs for dog pet health insurance. And for cats, it's around $10 per month. Okay, when you are thinking about getting pet health insurance for your fur baby, there are a ton of factors that you should consider as you are researching and trying to figure out which coverage and plan is the best for your pet. So a couple of different things to consider. First, does this cover the right things? In the US, 98% of pet health insurance policyholders have accident and illness coverage. Next, you'll want to ask yourself whether or not rates will change in the future. So rates could increase if your pet makes a claim in a given year. Then you'll want to find out, how does the coverage treat chronic conditions, especially if you have a pre-existing condition with your pet. It could mean that you have a higher premium. You'll also want to know, what is the monthly premium cost? So generally, the higher premium that you pay, the lower the coinsurance you'll have. Next, you'll want to find out whether or not there is a cap on insurance payouts and what the pet owner's share of coinsurance is. And then you'll want to figure out how that deductible is set. So the deductible could fluctuate between an annual deductible or a per incident deductible. There is a difference between the two, so you'll want to find that out. Then, is there an age cutoff for pets? Typically, you'll want to really consider this if you have a senior dog or cat and you're trying to get health insurance coverage for them. I was really surprised to find out how few pet owners actually carry pet health insurance. I mean, most of us aren't able to cover a $1,000 emergency vet visit without putting it on a credit card, or worse, going into credit card debt. It's pretty cost beneficial to add pet health insurance, especially if you really want to take care of your little fur babies like this little guy. As long as you're shopping around for the best deal, pet health insurance can be a really cost-effective way to make sure you and your pet are protected. Say, yep, I am protected for sure. You're protected, right? I think you are.